this is the project section of Rank Lightning. To create a project, all you'll need to do is come over here where it says new project. Simply click on that. Now you've got the title, the target website, the location, and the language. So let's do that. I've just grabbed a donor, some random that's not doing too well out there. So you would just place in your information like so. The location, now this is important. If you are looking to do something that's statewide, so perhaps you're going after the keyword roofer Miami and roofer Fort Lauderdale as an example, I would use this state level. So I'm going to use Florida in this case. However, if you were only targeting Miami, you could leave it to Miami. And then the language. Simply hit next. From there, you're going to be given the option of adding as many URLs as possible. So let's just say for this, our homepage, according to this guy, he is trying to rank for Roofer Miami with his homepage. It's a nice challenge. So I can add that one in there. Now, if I want to add additional pages like I do, all I need to do is just simply hit the add to page keyword groups and it'll keep adding and adding and adding. So I can grab the commercial roof side. Grab that, place that there. Hey presto. Now you can add that for every page, and as you should. So you've got roof repair, you've got roof replacement, roof installation. Add all of those in for each pages because you'll be able to manage everything on a page level in Rank Lightning. As we progress with this project management tool, you'll be able to do everything within inside the project management side, so you'll no longer need a Google Sheet. Hit submit. Now to edit the project, so your project will be loaded here, you can simply hit the edit button. Now you'll be taken into here. You can delete page if you're like, I made a mistake. You can delete the page. If you want to change the page description, I normally go with the target keyword as my page description. You could put my home page. This is my home page. You can put whatever you want. But again, to edit, it's right here. To add more, create new page, save changes if you want to change the location out to Miami as an example. If you want to delete it, you can simply come up here and hit that delete button, or you can bulk delete by going back to the projects, hitting that button. It'll highlight all of them. You can unhighlight the ones you want and then click the bulk and then delete.